Max Muay Thai Stadium, PATTYA, Thailand.
Oh man, I just woke up. So look, I woke up. They said, "Yo, Guavo, it's like 6. It's 6." I said, "It's 6 o'clock." They said it's 6 o'clock. We booked the boat. We go into the boxing match to the Muay Thai. I said, "What the f going on?" Right? Look, we at the jar. So we about to go see this fight, man. It was pretty crazy. No yogi event, he said.
Yogi free.
That's crazy.
Respectfully.
Alright, I got y'all. I'm be right back, you heard? Look who I ran into. The birthday boy. Look who I ran into. Say happy birthday to this handsome young man. Holla at us.
Lately it's looking like everything perfect. Out the mud with it, I put the work in. You can find me where that turf is. Pin precision like a surgeon. Bad ones used to curb me. Showing up to the show when the curve split. She know that I'm worth it, I'm finna go up, I'm aerial. I got the hit stash, got a bracelet for impact. Real tricky, quick to flip a pretty penny to a thick stack. Quick stat, think fast and I talk real. I give a f about how they feel. Me and Zay just dropped the propane and it sounded like mass appeal. For my dog, I'ma ride to the wheels kill. Got his hand on the hammer, so keep it legit. I've been the man with the blueprint, I won't stop till I own every brick. I used to lay out in the line just to feel the world spin on its axis. Now I got the access and the last laugh, got it off of the past.
Yo, my man J Money just kicked in my room door and woke me up and told me we going to fight. So I got ready mad quick, and then we just ended up at a fight. I thought we was going to fight somebody. And Free was, I don't know what Free was doing. and Smoke was talking shit and smoking. I don't know, but we in here. This is about to be lit. Back though.
Keep it 100 on the dash, now that we got us some traction. Slick talker, I'm a showstopper, you are not solid. Tread cautious, couldn't go a mile in my toe boxes. Stunner shade with the Visine, light it up and bring the vibe in. Lime tint, color spot beam on me, I'm a star every night lit, ultraviolet. Ayy, I told her make sure that phone is on silent, so we know what the vibe is. Take a look in my iris, I think she know that I'm high risk. I never know what the time is, I never know when my mind went. Ayy, I got a lot on my plate, I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. Yeah. Look, it's a lot on my mind, and I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. I'ma make sure that, ayy, I got a lot on my plate, I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. Yeah. Look, it's a lot on my mind, and I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. I'ma make sure that I used to toss a coin in the waterfalls, in the wishing well. Now I get plenty coin, I'm self-made, you ain't gotta wish me well. You ain't like me then, but I guess it's past tense, cause you tapped in. You was never who you said, I see the facade when looking, they really be that quick to tell. My guard up, I ain't taking nails, if it's not in my favor, won't sign a deal. I got the royalty in the mail, I got authority in the field. Take a look in my eye.
Pose it for me, hold up. Alright, so that was a good 2 rounds. We got one more round, and then I need a cigarette and a beer. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Ant-Man, we trained him personally. We're his biggest fans in this joint.
I be precise with the timing. I move on a touch that's the high risk. I never know where my mind went. Ayy, I got a lot on my plate, I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. Yeah. Look, it's a lot on my mind, and I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. I'ma make sure that, ayy, I got a lot on my plate, I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. Yeah. Look, it's a lot on my mind, and I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. I'ma make sure that. Never know where my mind went. Ayy, I got a lot on my plate, I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure.
Good fellas, we love you. I want one. I want another one.
Sure that we straight. Yeah. Look, it's a lot on my mind, and I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure. sure that we straight. I'ma make sure that, ayy, I got a lot on my plate. I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. Yeah. Look, it's a lot on my mind, and I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. I'ma make sure that.
Spinning. That was a good fight. We macking. That was a really good fight. I enjoyed myself very much. That was good. It's lit though. But the fight was good. We had a good time. Back though. Good fellas here. Yogi would have been out there fucking. Nah. He is technically a professional.
But he like 8.
Wait, he like 1-0, right? 2-0? Yogi, right?
Yogi is 2 pipe dreams and 0 fights, nigga.
2 pipe dreams and 0 fights talk, yeah?
2 pipe dreams.
Yo, Yogi, we came all the way out here to see yo even here. It's all good, good fella. We going to Soy Bucal, recruit some hoes for free birthday tomorrow. Make sure y'all subscribe for free. Jay Morgan Hahn. Sunday Night Smoke, you heard? Back though.